Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Dave Bowering. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you on the lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Honda Civic Sedan LX. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power side mirrors, keyless entry, and lightly tinted glass. Honda made a major round of improvements to the Civic for 2014. As a result, the 2014 Honda Civic is one of the best compact cars you can buy. This Civic has 15-inch steel wheels with wheel covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Civic is in great condition. It has auto-off aerial compensation halogen daytime running headlamps with daylight off, along with really nice grille with a chrome bar and the Icon Honda emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with the variable transmission. The Civic has a front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 33 miles per gallon on an average. Let's not forget the Civic has only 78,489 miles on it. At the back of the Civic, you see the large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious. You can lower the back seats right from the back of the car for more space as needed. The cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you notice the Civic has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the door bins as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders and power outlet. The Civic is also equipped with a premier alarm, an illuminated glove box, and fade to off interior lighting. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and power windows with driver 1 up and down. The Civic has very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with well-lit instrumental cluster. The center stack is home to the entertainment features and is paired with 4 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Pandora, and Bluetooth capability, and you can easily connect devices using USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed-sensitive volume. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up breeze. If you have any questions, give us a call, 888-272-5869, or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.